If your wardrobe is feeling a little bit too beige lately, don't worry, you're not alone. Today I'm sharing 5 easy ways to add color to your neutral fall wardrobe without losing that chic minimal vibe we all love. Because neutral doesn't have to mean boring. We're keeping it sophisticated, wearable, and tailored to you. So first up, we have statement accessories. This is the easiest way to bring life into any neutral look. One pop of color instantly shifts your outfit from safe to intentional, and it's also sustainable. And what I love is that you could restyle your neutrals with 1 or 2 accessories each season, rotating them in and out with whatever look, making it actually a great add to your capsule wardrobe for fall. A single colorful accessory against a classic camel coat or charcoal blazer just gives effortlessly chic, which is a subtle nod to the current fashion trends for 2025. Small additions with these statement accessories just breaks up the monotony and add interest to your outfit. One pro tip I would suggest is keeping the metal hardware on your accessories consistent with your look. Gold with warm hues like camel or chocolate brown, and silver with cooler tones like gray or navy. This subtle detail makes the entire outfit seem polished and intentional. And definitely don't underestimate the power of bright earrings or a chunky, colorful necklace against a neutral top, because they can literally transform your vibe. And next, I would suggest the colored neutral swap. And this is all about upgrading your neutral colors. So chocolate brown is having its moment right now, and to me actually behaves like a neutral, just richer and more luxurious than the standard black. So instead of your usual black turtleneck, try investing in like a deep burgundy or rich chocolate brown. A vibrant edge, yet they pair effortlessly with every jean, skirt, and blazer you already own. And this rule could be applied to your bottoms as well. Consider getting a forest green wide leg pants instead of black if you already have, because most of us have black in everything: pants, dresses, skirts, jeans. But adding these other colors will give you the same effect with just more personality. So if you want a more dynamic wardrobe with other neutral pants, I would suggest investing in like a deep olive, rich plum, or a muted terracotta. They still offer like a versatility of a neutral with a richness that instantly elevates your look, making your outfits feel more intentional and fashion forward. So here's another styling trick that will have you looking sophisticated, but actually is surprisingly simple. That is to dress entirely in one color family from head to toe. The harmonious shades of like taupe of varying tones of gray, and then just add a wild card piece in a vibrant color. This could be a striking belt or a pair of knee-high paired boots in a shocking hue that just makes a great impact. And what I love about this technique is that you get the contrast of the colors. The monochrome base elongates your silhouette, creating a very sleek foundation. One of my favorites with this technique is like an all gray and then like a pop of red to contrast. Or you could also pair like a mustard yellow. And another favorite is like an all ivory look, and then add in, say for instance, like a glove, specifically a rich burgundy or ruby red glove. This technique is actually perfect because it allows you to play with bold colors in a very curated and sophisticated way. So you're not overwhelmed by a bunch of color, but you're making a more confident and artistic statement. All right, quick pause. If you have already pictured an outfit you can't wait to try, do me a favor and smash the like button. It helps the algorithm send this video to other people who needs a little color in their life. Your support keeps these tutorials free and fresh. Thank you. So if you're not particularly ready to add color from head to toe, try makeup as your color moment. So I would suggest a berry lip, a soft peach blush, or even a bronze eyeshadow to effortlessly pull your look together. And this is one of the easiest way to add color to your outfit. You're able to play with color with zero commitment. So if a bold lip feels like too much, try a swap of colored eyeliner or a subtle wing in a deep burgundy, navy blue, or even a metallic copper, and make your eyes pop without being overwhelming if you have a more minimalistic look. So the key is to let the color be the star of your whole look and keeping the rest of your makeup clean and simple to let that one pop of color do all the talking. It's one of the easiest way to look polished and be on trend. So your coat is the first thing we see. So you want to make sure that it makes a statement. And I particularly love using it to transform my outfits, especially if you are wearing like a neutral base. The pop of color will be a no-brainer because it just instantly transforms your outfit from looking basic to elevated and fashion forward. So if you want to be on trend and probably looking for what colors to add in your fall wardrobe, I would suggest probably like a chili red wool coat or a pickle green vegan leather jacket for my outerwear. If bold hues feel a little bit risky for you, pick a classic silhouette. For instance, a single-breasted knee-length coat or a timeless trench in a vibrant color gives just the enough drama without being overwhelming. This cut makes the bold hue feel more approachable and wearable too. These pieces are not just meant to keep you warm, but also make the outfit. You could belt it over a set for a coffee run and easily you look street style chic. For sure, having a statement outerwear is your chance to lean into color without overthinking the layers underneath. I want to know, which tip are you going to try first? Are you dipping your toe in with a pop of accessory? Or are you going for the glorious red coat moment? Drop your answer in the comments below. And while you're there, hit that subscribe button for more styling shortcuts that will keep your closet ahead of the trends. See you in the comments. Bye.